This company's pretty cool. They do the assembly for like slot machines called Asta from Taiwan. And Sandra.
Hello.
Where are you from in Taiwan?
In Hsinchu.
Hsinchu?
Yes.
I lived in Taiwan for 1 year. During COVID, I got stuck there.
And we're doing the whole slot machine assembly in Taiwan.
Very cool.
Yes.
But, and then this is for?
VR.
Let's see what this guy's doing. This guy's on VR right now. Whoa, whoa, don't shoot me. He's looking the wrong way. Whoa. Yeah, he's at it. What are you on? He's getting like a dinosaur, I guess. Yeah. Sandra, nice seeing you.
Nice to meet you.
Have a good show.
Yeah, thank you.
See ya.
See you.
So here we are in kind of like the Taiwan section. All these exhibitors from Aaron.
Hi.
Aaron?
Go ahead.
Okay, Aaron from Taiwan?
Yeah, I'm on Taiwan.
Taiwan?
Taiwan.
Taiwan number one.
Why? Taiwan number one. Why so many exhibitors from Taiwan? Why?
Because Taiwan is the backbone of the world's like gaming casino industry.
Is as a matter of fact the backbone to the world.
Yeah.
When you look at microchip.
Yes.
So
That's
Taiwan,
exactly right.
Aaron said that Taiwan is at the backbone to the gaming industry because you're making the components
Yeah.
that go into the games.
Yeah, and they now also design a game too. So, and it's a very reasonable price, very quality product, and the timing, lead time is fantastic. So Taiwan is the good place for a lot of big manufacturers to go and ask for design and manufacturing their product at a very, very reasonable price, competitive price actually.
You know, Taiwan has it figured out when it comes to technology. Of course, most people watching are thinking, if they're not in gaming, they're thinking, oh, Taiwan microchip. You know, that's what they're thinking because that's the center of the world for microchip.
It is.
But what you're saying, and the reason why we have so many exhibitors from Taiwan here is you're saying it's also the backbone to the gaming industry for the technology.
Yeah, you can see for the G2E for the past couple of years, Taiwan section grew up from 1 to actually 4. So there's 3 sections here.
That's right.
There's another
There's
section
like
right
4
back in
sections
there.
Taiwan.
Yeah, so there are more and more like exhibitors coming from Taiwan because they know they can contribute, they can offer to the U.S. market and anybody who's looking for a good product, reasonable price in this exhibition.
Aaron, what's the name of your company?
Three years.
What is the name of your company?
company.
My company is a Golden Fortune.
Golden Fortune.
Technology.
Golden Fortune Technology.
Yeah.
Are you guys on social media?
Yes,
Which
we
one?
do. Instagram.
So you'll find them on Instagram.
Yeah.
Aaron, where will we find you?
Huh?
Where are you? Social media?
Find me? What do you mean?
Are you on Instagram or LinkedIn?
LinkedIn, yes.
LinkedIn. We'll find you on LinkedIn.
You'll find me on LinkedIn, yes.
Okay. Thanks, guys.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. See you guys. See you. Taiwan number one. Wow, he said that the section to G2E is growing to 4 areas now representing Taiwan. So, we got more Taiwan here. What do you want people to know about Taiwan?
I mean, like people in Taiwan, they are all friendly. So
I would say one of the most kind countries in the world.
Yeah. So if you guys have a chance, just come to visit
I
Taiwan.
concur. I
Amazing
concur.
experience for you guys.
I love
of
the East
course.
Coast of Taiwan.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah.
Appreciate.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good show.
You guys.